10 smart things you can do for $30 to improve your life. $30 can make a huge difference if you use it wisely. 1. Run the savings challenge.
Take a sheet of paper and draw a calendar for 30 days. Next, assign a monetary value ranging from $1 to $30 for each day of the month. The savings challenge is an easy way to save at least $30 a month if you set aside just $1. What if you save $30 a day? You could end up with up to $900. That's a good saving, isn't it? Many basic subjects are not taught in school, including how to handle money wisely. We learn how to work hard and make some money, but we have no clue what to do next. Knowledge your way to freedom and success. The 30-day savings challenge is a fun and easy way to earn some extra bucks in 1 month.
2. Form your subscription package.
You could be paying $30 for a modest dinner at a restaurant, a ticket to a local museum, or a random house theme. No offense, these are all justified purchases. However, you can also invest this money in self-improvement by forming a monthly subscription package. Here's my subscription package, which costs me less than $30 in total. Bookmate mobile reading app with loads of books, $8.99 per month. Subscribe to press articles, $5 per month. Grammar 11, $66 month. Every penny I eagerly spend on my subscriptions comes back in the form of new ideas, skills, and experiences that help me grow personally and financially. Only you can decide how to spend the $30 in your wallet. You can make a one-time payment and forget about it tomorrow, or you can invest it in yourself and see higher returns.
3. Open a compound interest savings account.
Does your money make money? This is a question I ask myself sometimes these days. Like you, I earn money every month, but its future value is less than what it is worth today. According to the USA inflation calculation, if you had $100 in 2011, that would be the equivalent of $119 today. It means even small deposits in a savings account add up over time and can do wonders. You can easily save enough for your children's education or your retirement. Time plays a vital role when it comes to multiplying an investment. The earlier you start, the more money you will accumulate. I am not an investment expert and I make a lot of financial decisions based on my judgment. But if you ask me when is the best time to invest, I would say the best time.
4. Get an outline. What was not planned was not done.
Even the most ambitious people fail to crush their goals because they don't document them. In fact, it is much easier to set goals and create a step-by-step monthly plan. One research study claims that you are 40% more likely to keep your promise if you write it down. This is why many personal growth experts suggest improving your productivity with planners. The planner isn't just another type of notebook. Used accordingly, it teaches discipline, time management, and there are tons of various planners for under $30. The good news, you don't need a fancy planner to crush your goals. It should serve as a guiding star in the sky, helping you find the right direction and balance in life.
5. Buy crypto.
Despite the fact I am not a crypto expert, I've managed to make some money out of buying Bitcoins. When the crypto hype started last year, I invested some bucks into Bitcoin. The crypto market is quite volatile, and you never know what to expect. However, I considered it an experiment. A few months later, Bitcoin's price started to grow crazy, and my modest investment grew 5 times at least. Note, cryptocurrency investment is a risky business, and it's worth getting familiar with the cryptocurrencies and the process before you start investing. I've gone through several courses to learn the basics. This one is quite insightful for beginners. If you wonder what else you might spend your $30 bucks on, you can try to buy some crypto. Your investment can rapidly grow the next day or devalue in time. No one knows. Despite the outcome, you will still gain valuable life lessons. Money can make money independently from you. You'll develop a habit of paying yourself first before spending money elsewhere. You will get some knowledge about cryptocurrency.
6. Start a website.
If I could give advice to myself when I was in my early 20s, I would say this. Dear Vicky, don't rush to become a corporate slave. Instead, explore your motivations and skills. If you don't know where to start, try building a website. It will be an insightful journey that might transform into a lifelong endeavor. The destination is not important, but your transformation along the way, new knowledge, skills, network, and mindset are what matters the most. There are tons of paid and free ways how to launch a website these days. Despite an extra income source, What is great about building your own digital space is the experience you'll get along the way. You might end up loving and then working in web design, development, copywriting, SEO, branding fields. I helped a brand new hospital to move its local business online a year ago. We've built a website on Wix with basic functionality for just €75. The website has a few pages, but it attracts customers, and the client is happy. If you use a content management system with free website templates, your costs could be even less than what I spent. What you will have to pay for, however, is the website hosting. You can check the latest price estimates here.
7. Check career talks from people who achieved what you aim to reach.
It's not mainstream yet, but I've stumbled upon enthusiasts who either sell or offer their career path lectures for free. In an hour or two, people share everything they did to become six-figure online entrepreneurs, Googlers, Instapreneurs, etc. As an example, I've stumbled upon the Career Talk webinar organized by McMaster University. Experts from various industries bring insights and share their stories on how they advanced their careers and what they learned along the way. I went even further with my professional growth. I bought a Career Accelerate lecture for $30 from a senior SIM manager who worked with world-known brands and recently moved to New York. There was one specific part of the course I was mainly interested in: the learning curve. It covered what, when, and where she studied to grow from a junior marketer to a senior expert in a few years. I've got a bunch of learning materials along with recommended courses. You might ask why anyone would pay for the knowledge that's easily accessible online. You are right. The information is extensive, but you never know what's actual value of it is. I've gone through tons of free and paid courses, but only a few of them were worth the money and time invested. Expert advice helps you save precious time, energy, money, and allocate these resources to things that truly matter.
8. Buy a book.
A room without a book is like a body without a soul. Cicero. What makes a good book is different for everyone. Some likes deep, emotional, and thought-provoking reads, while others might enjoy light fiction or fantasy. It does not matter as long as you read and believe in the power of reading. If you want to invest $30 into something timeless, make use of it or gift something special. Buy a book. Books form opinions, impact behavior, and allow you to travel without moving your feet. Books develop your personality when it seems there is no one around who could be your mentor and guide you through various life circumstances. I won't stop buying printed books as long as I still have a place on bookshelves. Every book keeps a memory and a story behind it, which I want to remember when I get older.
9. Help yourself live a longer life.
The food you consume ultimately affects your current and future well-being. The good news is adding healthy food to your diet can help you live a longer life. Researchers proved improving your diet by just 20% lowers the risk of premature death by 8-17. Isn't it a motivation? I want to live a long and happy life, see my kids growing, hold my grandchildren, and celebrate my 100th birthday by traveling with my husband. It's my vision of happiness, and I am eager to work on it today. Are you too? The good news is there are plenty of tips on how to live a healthy lifestyle. However, which one should you follow and why? Why are avocados good for health? Why does intense sugar consumption cause heart attack and obesity? What happens inside our bodies that leads to these adverse consequences? Forewarned is forearmed. There is no need to obtain a degree in nutrition if you want to treat your body right. Start with baby steps. A good friend of mine knows how concerned I am with my diet, so she recommended me a Stanford Introduction to Food and Health course. The course is supposed to reveal what happens with our bodies when we eat different products and how to optimize our daily diet. It is free for 7 days, but then I am required to pay $39. There are alternatives as well. All you need is a strong desire to make positive changes in life.
10. Give to charity.
Kindness is another boomerang. The more you bring it into this world, the more you get in return. Life is like a zebra. It has black and white spots, and you never know which one comes next. When you are down, and it seems there is no way out, remember, there are people who need help more than you. Your small contribution will mean a lot for orphans, kids who need help. Now, if you come across a donation box for a local food pantry, slip a few banknotes there. Perhaps this small gesture will help some struggling families, and you'll feel pretty good about doing it too. People think they need millions to live happy lives. The truth is, big bucks won't change anything as long as the mindset remains poor.
If you liked the video, click like. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new
Bye.